Hi everyone. Earn free cash with Swagbucks daily by follow this video step. Get $3 free for signing up. Click the link below to join and start earning daily. Step 1. On your phone, search Swagbucks on Google, log in, and click Daily Polls to earn 1 SB, which equal to 1 US cent. You can earn more SB points by answer all the survey. Once you're in, you can start earning SB daily. It's super easy and flexible. You can do it whenever you have a few minutes to spare. Whether you're at home, on the bus, or just relaxing, you can turn your downtime into cash. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link below to sign up for Swagbucks, claim your 300 SB equal to $3 US, and start earning today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on how to make money online. Thanks for watching.